Another guest who's joining us on this broadcast, Gaurav Gupta, the president of India two-wheeler business TVS Motor Company, is now joining us. Gaurav, congratulations on the new launch. What's the key positioning in consumer segment that you're targeting with this launch?
Today we are assembled to look at the launch of the Entrop 150. This is, the hyper scooter that we've just launched. It brings in a great package of hyper performance, which is of course built on its entire acceleration and speed as well, 0 to 60 at about 6.3 seconds, being the fastest. Hyper style in terms of the way it has been designed, inspired by a stealth aircraft. It's got exactly, the inspired by jets for the winglets. It's got a great, headlamp, which is a first in this segment as well, and many more features, including a naked motorcycle-inspired handlebar and plus. Then it's got a great example of hyper technology, which is where we've got a TFT cluster with 50 plus connected features, packs in also an ABS and traction control, overall redefining and building a brand new segment in the sporty scooter segment in the country. So we're very excited about it. It helps build on the Ntorq platform and helps us, of course, to look at a new segment altogether.
Gaurav, in fact, as you pointed out, let's talk about how with the GST cut on sub 350cc two-wheelers, what demand impact are you foreseeing and which segment is best placed to benefit?
I would say firstly we applaud and we're very thankful to the government for this great step. It's a big booster for economic growth. It also helps to enhance the entire growing middle class's buying power. It builds the market momentum at the right time. And it's a perfect Diwali gift, and rightly said as well. In fact, I would say that it's Diwali gift and then also an extended Diwali for the consumers. So we are seeing, and we will, of course, see a great momentum in the marketplace, which will be, of course, helping us to reach the highs that have not been seen for some time. The highest growth has not been seen so far in the two-wheeler segment. And with this bonanza, we really hope to exceed that levels. And overall, big euphoria, good for the consumer, and a long-standing demand has been fulfilled. So we are very grateful. All this will be helpful to really accelerate towards our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Viksit Bharat towards 2047. But in the particular time frame that we're talking about, overall right trajectory, with a lot of positivity and excitement.
That's right, Gaurav. The two-wheeler segment has been seeing some sort of a demand slump since past many quarters. It remains to be seen whether this GST fillip is going to give a boost to that segment as well. But one final question before we let you go. Now, through Norton, you have exposure to the 350cc plus category. What's the roadmap over there of the company?
Well, at this point in time, we would be more focused on, the current portfolio that we are working on in TVS as of now. We're looking at bringing on the Ntorq, the brand new Ntorq 150 in the marketplace. We're very super excited about this. I'll bring back the entire focus towards, the sporty scooter segment, which is really growing double the rate of the scooter segment growth in the country. The overall GST ruling is going to be very favorable to a large portion of the market in the two-wheeler segment. All that euphoria is very high. And that's what we want to build upon today.
Right, Gaurav. Thank you very much for joining us on the show. But for the moment, we leave the conversation